login error on PC and Steam. If Forza Horizon 6 shows sign-in error, Xbox login failed, Microsoft account error, unable to authenticate, stuck on signing in, infinite login loop, login required, failed to connect Xbox services, then the problem is usually caused by Xbox services, gaming services corruption, account sync issues, or blocked Microsoft authentication. Follow these fixes carefully. Fix 1. Sign out everywhere. Completely sign out from Xbox app, Microsoft Store, Steam, optional. Restart PC. Then sign back in using the same Microsoft account everywhere. Launch order 1, Microsoft Store 2, Xbox app 3, Steam 4, Forza Horizon 6. Fix 2, repair gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Fix 3, clear Xbox cache press. You can see the code in our conversation history. Type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Wait for Microsoft Store reset to finish. Restart the PC. Fix 4, update Xbox components. Open Microsoft Store library, get updates. Update Xbox app, gaming services, Xbox identity provider, Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store. Old Xbox components commonly break login systems. Fix 5, check date and time. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Enable, set time automatically, set time zone automatically. Wrong system time can block Microsoft Authentication. 6, disable VPN DNS proxy. Turn off VPN proxy, AdGuard, Pi-hole, DNS filtering, ton network apps. Xbox authentication can fail through filtered networks. Fix 7, allow Xbox services through firewall open. You can see the code in our conversation history. Allow Xbox app, gaming services, Steam, Forza Horizon 6 on both, private, public networks. Fix 8, start Xbox services press. You can see the code in our conversation history. Make sure these services are running. Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service, Xbox Live Game Save, Gaming Services. Set all to. You can see the code in our conversation history. Fix 9, delete Xbox credentials. Open, you can see the code in our conversation history. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete Xbox Microsoft related credentials. Restart PC and sign in again. Fix 10, disable Steam Cloud temporarily. Steam, FH6, you can see the code in our conversation history. Disable, you can see the code in our conversation history. Launch the game once, then re-enable it later. Fix 11, reinstall gaming services, full fix. PowerShell as admin, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC, then reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. Fix 12, create new Xbox login session, open Xbox app. Click, you can see the code in our conversation history. Then remove account, re-add Microsoft account. Restart app, login again. Why this error happens? Sign-in login errors are usually caused by broken gaming services, corrupted Xbox authentication cache, Microsoft Store desync, Steam Xbox account mismatch, blocked network services, VPN DNS filtering, expired credentials.